In this video, we're going to take a look at XEI, the iShares S&P TSX Composite High Dividend Index ETF. Currently, you can buy a share for $27.48, but I have no idea why you'd want to. So maybe you Googled XEI ETF in YouTube and wondered if this was a great place to do your research. So by the looks of it, Mountain Finance is saying XEI has growth and dividends, making it a solid choice for a total return ETF. We have an XEI 5% high dividend yield by Robin Haney. We have best Canadian dividend ETF by No Anxiety Investing. We have, it looks like Stock Trades is saying it's not a good idea. We have Crazy Canuck saying, yep, XEI, no anxiety again, Canadian in a t-shirt, more Mountain Finance. We have Beavis Wealth, Momentum Finance, Think Passive. We have Danish. We have more Momentum, more Canadian. All right, so people are making videos of XEI. Maybe you heard something that one of these YouTubers said, and I'm going to tell you right now, that is a terrible idea. We're going to do some basic research a little bit later in the video. Maybe you downloaded Blossom, a free app with the highest concentration of bad investment advice on the internet. So right here we can see XEI is the 12th most popular investment. So clicking into the app to take a look at XEI, we can see that there's 3,730 holders of this ETF and over 2,000 people watching it. Now right up here we can see it is the 16th most popular ETF, so that doesn't really add up. So let's click into that. So it's saying it's the 16th most held stock. So Blossom doesn't seem to be able to keep track of a list, so apparently no one on Blossom or at Blossom knows what the fuck they're doing. Alright, so we're going to do some basic research here, like beginning steps, and hopefully this will help you not buy XEI ever again. So currently I'm on the BlackRock website going through ETFs. So right now, let's say this person has a bias. They love the word high dividend or whatever it may be. Now, I just hate to break the news to you. I have a couple young nephews. The one nephew said Apple all the time, and the one said bus. If you say the word dividend more than 5 times in a video or in a conversation, I think you have the IQ of a 2-year-old when it comes to investing. That's my bias. So we're going to look for a Canadian dividend equity ETF through BlackRock. So let's start narrowing down our search. So for the asset class, we're going to look at equities. We're buying stocks, so we're looking for an equity. Now in this one, we're not going to look really at a strategy. There's not a dividend in the list, but we are going to select the specific market. So we are going to look at North America. We can actually narrow it further down to Canada. So BlackRock has 23 Canadian products, but we're going to narrow our search down a little more to dividend and type that in the search. All right, so let's kind of just see who's the best at everything. So XDV is the oldest ETF. XDIV has the most assets under management. XDIV has the best year-to-date performance. CDZ has the best 1-year return. XDIV has the best 3-year return. And XDIV has the best 5-year return. The cheapest BlackRock Canadian dividend ETF is also XDIV. So just narrowing this simple search down, we can see I said XDIV a lot more than XEI. Why? Because I didn't say XEI once. Doing this simple research, we found that you should probably just not buy this ETF. It is not good at all. It underperforms, it's more expensive, it's less popular. If you had to buy a BlackRock Canadian dividend ETF, it should probably be XDIV. But that's not a great pick either. XEI, don't buy it.